Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to reset your Coinbase password. This is a very simple thing to do, guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Coinbase application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the Coinbase application, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can go ahead and log into your account or create a new one. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you two ways. I'm going to go ahead and show you how you reset your password if you do not remember it, or how to reset your password if you're already logged in. So guys, the first option is if you're already logged in. So let's say you have already logged into your account, then you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page, as you can see, where you can see at the bottom of the screen all the options you can access, such as home, your assets, and so on. So guys, all you have to do to be able to reset your password if you're already logged in is just go ahead and click the three lines right here in the upper left corner. As you can see right here in the upper left corner, click on those three lines, guys, and then click on settings. And in the settings and security option, you will be able to have the option to reset your password. So just follow along the steps that appear there and you will be able to reset it. But guys, if you do not remember your password and you want to log into your account, then what you have to do, guys, is in this main page, before you log in, you have to go ahead and click on sign in. So in the sign in option, guys, now it will take you to this new page where you can enter in your email address. So go ahead and enter in your email address, whatever you want to use. Let's say this is our email, and just enter in your email, guys, and after that you will be able to go ahead and click on continue, and here you can select the forgot password option. Click on forgot password, and now you will be able to reset the password for the email you have used, and just go ahead and reset it on your email. But yeah, guys, basically those are all the steps that you have to take. Just follow the steps in the email to go ahead and reset your password, and you'll be able to set up a new password. So yeah, guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.